Sliding into DMs, navigating modern online communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on a very popular phrase in modern English, especially in the context of social media. Sliding into DMs. This term has become quite common in online conversations, and today we're going to break it down for you. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. Sliding into DMs is a colloquial expression that originated from social media platforms. DM stands for direct message, which is a private form of communication between users on social media like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. When someone says they're sliding into someone's DMs, it means they are sending a private message to someone they are interested in or want to connect with, usually in a casual or flirty manner. It's akin to starting a private conversation, often with someone you don't know very well in real life. This phrase usually has a casual, sometimes flirty connotation. It's often used when talking about initiating contact with a romantic interest, but it can also refer to reaching out to someone for friendship, networking, or professional purposes. The key aspect is that it's a direct and personal way to communicate, different from public comments or posts. In everyday language, sliding into DMs is used mostly among younger generations and is common in conversations about online interactions. For instance, "I can't believe he slid into my DMs." Expresses surprise at someone initiating a private conversation. It's a phrase that captures the essence of modern, digital communication: direct, spontaneous, and a bit bold. While sliding into DMs is a common practice, it's important to approach it with respect and politeness. Not everyone may appreciate unsolicited messages, especially from strangers. It's crucial to be mindful of social cues and respectful of boundaries in these digital interactions. And that's a wrap on sliding into DMs. It's fascinating to see how digital communication has introduced new phrases and practices into our language. We hope this video has been informative and helps you navigate social media conversations more confidently. Remember to use this phrase respectfully and understand the context in which it's used. Happy DMing, and see you in our next lesson.